Postspawn summer kind of deal. These fish were kind of relating to stuff that was there but not quite ready yet, so we were fishing some grass lines that kind of set up well for this time of year. We only ended up bringing in, I think, 4 fish, but we took 4th place, so it was a tough night, but it was tough for everyone. Primarily moving baits, that's typically what we throw at this lake. It's one of the favorite lakes of mine as well. I actually got engaged on this lake back in 2021, so it's a special lake to me. I fished it a lot growing up. But stay tuned, we're going to roll the film, and hope you enjoy. Come on, come on. Got him?
Good one.
Take this.
Take it. Nice. Motor. Good work.
Right at the boat, dude.
Little one.
Huh?
Little.
Let go. Let go.
Come on.
You biggin'?